Well, we're in Australia at the eXperience, and my name is Lane Spradlin. I'll be covering the large square baler and going over some of the new features on our new LB series, as well as a few base settings that I like to run. And then we'll cover what makes our balers better than the competition as far as making good quality, high feed value hay. And then we also talk about our applicator systems as well as twine and net systems. Another update we have is our quick adjust stuffer here. The prior one was an eye bolt that required wrenches to adjust. So if you got into some thin crop and you wanted to tighten it down, you had to get your wrenches out and come back here and adjust it and hope you got it right. Now you just come grab the handle, move it to another notch, and you're good to go. We also went to a larger tire. We switched it from a double bogey suspension to a single bogey suspension. So a double bogey had 2 springs per axle. This just has 1 spring, one on each side. It's a simpler setup. It also rides a little bit better than before, and it gives us more ground clearance. Another big thing we did on this project was improve or simplify your maintenance. So staying with the axle here, we put a grease bank on the rear axle. So all of the grease points for these axles are on that one spot. It's much easier to get to. We'll run the small squares and the round balers. We're a little light on crop in a few of the paddocks, so the big square may or may not run depending on how things go this week. So hopefully we get to run it a little bit and let some people see how she performs.